Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong May 1 to 15. Energy check-in. Let's see what's coming to Libra ngayong May 1 to 15. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see what's coming. Energy check-in for Libra. Okay. Dinan muna natin yung Astro Dice, Astro Energies for you. You have 7th house, relationship, Moon in Scorpio. Oh, it seems like merong revelation about a relationship or a connection. So, pwedeng merong person na mag-open up sa'yo about feelings niya towards you, or ikaw yung mag-open up ng feelings mo towards another person. I also see someone na nag-o-obsess about a relationship. So, pwede ikaw to or the person that you are dealing with. So, yung iba naman, this is about business partnership. Maaring, kung merong taong gustong makipag-partner sa'yo sa business, itong taong ito ay kinikilala ka, pwedeng pinapaimbestigahan ka, or yung parang bina-background check ka. Or and vice versa, ikaw rin bina-background check mo tong person na to. Okay, and I also see a very strong relationship, no? Kung ikaw ay connecting with someone, meron ditong deeper connection, emotional deep connection, deep emotional connection with your romantic partner. Okay. Forgiveness. Meron kang patatawarin. Patatawarin mo ata itong person mo. That you are dealing with. Community. So, this is about connection with others, the people around you. And then the bear rest. Okay. So, some of you, maaring you will spend some time with your loved ones. Maaring kayo ay magbabakasyon, pupunta sa beach, having fun. And yung iba naman, maaring you will spend time with your friends naman. Or someone na kasama mo sa trabaho, kasama mo sa community that you are working with. Let's see what else. You have the devil. Energy ng Capricorn. 2 of Swords. The Tower. The Moon, oh my God, very strong ang energies na to. So, meron kayong yung iba sa inyo, Libra, meron kang ile-let go na unhealthy habits. Pwedeng ito ay sa relationship mo, ano yung unhealthy habits mo sa relationship, or this can be, sabi nga nila, no, forgive and forget, but sometimes, we can only forgive but we cannot forget. So, kaya lang natin magpatawad pero hindi tayo nakakalimot. So, that's what I'm seeing for some of you. Maari ring, yung iba rito, I see some sort of obsession about someone. Parang, kahit na nakikita mo na merong red flags or you may be in a toxic relationship or situation, hinahayaan mo lang, no? Pwede itong sa relationship or sa trabaho mo ngayon. But eventually, no, you will realize na meron kang kailangang i-let go. Meron kang magiging realization of yung totoong sitwasyon, of the truth that you need to know. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay option lang sa isang relationship na you may be in a third-party situation, or ikaw yung naglalagay ng isang tao sa isang third-party situation. So, maaring you are finally realizing na kailangan mo ng ayusin yung sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon bago pa mahuli ang lahat. Okay, we have, you will receive a gift. So, maaring unexpected gift ito. Can be any type of gift from someone na close sa'yo, or pwedeng random gifts rin to. Pwede rin tong parang peace offering. Kung meron mang humihingi ng tawad sa'yo, so itong taong to ay sasamahan niya ng peace offering, yung kanyang paghingi ng tawad. Trouble, accusation. So, iba sa inyo, maaring you will be accused of something na hindi nyo naman ginawa. Lalo na kung you are in a toxic situation sa relationship na merong person na laging tamang hinala sa'yo. Na pwedeng itong connection na to is pwedeng mauwi sa yung conflict, no? So, if medyo mainit na yung sitwasyon, umiwas ka na lang para hindi na lumala pa, no? So, iwas-iwas na lang sa gulo. Love, deep affection, and caring. Some of you naman, like what I mentioned kanina, you may be entering a deep relationship, like deep emotional connection with someone. Yun nga lang, kilalanin mo tong taong to kasi mahirap na ma-fall ka sa person na to pero meron pala siyang mga itinatagong bagay sa'yo na you're not supposed to know. You also have disappointment in a friend or a lover. So, ayun, baka nga magkaroon ng disappointment dito sa isang tao na pinagkakatiwalaan mo or someone na akala mo ay merong concern towards you. Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be a person that you are connecting na mas matanda sa'yo, or pwede rin tong sa MIL, sa iyong mother-in-law or sa parents mo, sa mother mo talaga. Tingnan natin yung in what areas of life. Sino to magbibigay ng gift? 12th house. Parang meron kang secret admirer, Libra. Oo. Pwede tong hindi mo alam kung sino tong person na nagbibigay ng gift na to. And if you are kung nagwo-work ka sa healthcare, nasa healthcare ka, medical field, nasa hospital, ayan, pwedeng patient mo ang pasyente mo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng gift. Parang appreciation sa'yo. Ano itong troubles, accusations? Sa career, sa trabaho, maaring merong maging issue, merong misunderstanding sa trabaho ninyo, sa career or sa business. Kung meron kang business, mga tauhan mo to. What is heart? Heart. This is self-love. Self-love, taking care of yourself, first house kasi to. So, I think isa yan sa part ng pagre-rest, pagpapahinga nyo. Practicing self-love, self-care. Going on vacation. Bakit may disappointment with this person? Sa relationship talaga. May disappointment. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Sun. Okay. So, maaring meron ditong masyadong mataas ang pride sa relationship. You might feel disappointed with this person dahil sa ginawa niya. Masyado kanyang tinitiis. Ano itong energy ng older woman? 11th house. 11th house is your hopes and dreams. So, pwedeng someone might be helping you or assisting you sa pagtupad ng pangarap mo. This can be your parent or someone that is close to you. Someone na naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. Okay, so final message. To receive, you must release. O, yung ganda ng message. Meron kang kailangang i-let go. What can you let go of? What do you want to receive? So, meron kang kailangang i-let go. Anything that is no longer serving you para meron ka namang ma-receive na something new sa buhay mo na mas kailangan mo. Okay? So, meron ka ma-receive na mas kailangan mo at i-let go mo na yung hindi mo kailangan. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.